Good morning. Hey, son, I see you and your beautiful rays just shining right over my face. I appreciate you now. And I do apologize if there is a distraction. I've only had one cup of coffee. Anyways, a while back, a friend of mine gave me a card deck on awakening self-compassion. Simple, right? Pull a card. 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 Read the card. Try the practice. Right? It's a randomized way to explore, develop, practice self-compassion. So today I picked up one. It was like, ooh, go share it. So right, here it is. I don't know how to flip screens back and forth. I'm just gonna read it to you. We'll figure out technology later, right? After I have more coffee. And do something with his hair. Two wings of the bird. Mindfulness, or attending to a moment on purpose and without judgment, is an important component of self-compassion practice. As a matter of fact, in the Buddhist teachings, mindfulness and self-compassion are called two wings of the bird. If one is present but not the other, the bird cannot fly. However, many of us forget the without judgment part of practice. How often I hear people being critical of themselves, I've done it, when they become aware of their lack of self-compassion. Ooh, that inner critic can wear you out. However, to build self-compassion, we have to first become aware of how little or how much we have of it. Ooh. To begin with, and then immediately meet the need that awareness in it. Y'all, one cup of coffee. We have to first become aware of how little or how much we have of it to begin, and then immediately meet the awareness in a gentle way. See what happens when you slow down and release yourself from urgency? Ooh. All kinds of nuggets this morning. Perhaps by placing a hand on your heart and noticing how the inner critic wants to take over this moment. See what it is like to stay present to all now, truly on purpose and in a non-judgmental way. Mindfulness means non-judgment. So there's a practice with this. Gently meeting a moment. Sit comfortably, kind of already am, and touch the fingertips of both hands together. Can't do that and hold the phone. Thumbs touching thumbs, pointer fingers touching pointer fingers, and so on. Right? Think, right, we're westernized Christian prayer hands, right? You're just right there. So your hands make the shape of a diamond. Yeah, prayer hands. Close your eyes and ask yourself the question: how self-compassionate am I in this very moment? Envision placing the answer to this question inside your hands. Feel what it is like to meet this awareness in a new way. Sorry, there's a domestic disturbance in the squirrels and the trees behind me. I do apologize. Feel what it is like to meet this awareness in a new way. We said that. Gently press your fingertips together and staying present to your awareness, say the following words to yourself. I'm gonna sit up. Act like I got some sense. Decorum. Right now, I am just beginning to grow. Right now, I am just beginning to become gently aware. Right now, I know I can allow myself to feel where I am hoping to grow and feel. Right now, I can meet it exactly as it is. Mindfulness means non-judgment. Have a mindfully compassionate day.